What's up everybody, Jordan here and back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some new scents and some new products from EDC Beard Co. Use code Jordan15 to save 15%, and I'll have the website and Instagram link down below for EDC Beard Co, as well as my first unboxing and my full review. Yeah, without further ado, let's talk about EDC Beard Co. Alright, yeah, so the owner's name is Lee. He was on my live stream a little while ago. I'll have that link down below as well if you haven't checked that out. And then his wife Kimberly, who's a Navy vet, she also helps him with EDC Beard Co. And they're based in Fredericksburg, Virginia. They were launched on May 29th, 2023, so earlier this year. They sell small batch beard products and beard related gear with the sort of EDC everyday carry theme. And then the 1 ounce beard oil is $15 USD. The 2 ounce beard butter is $20 USD. The 2 ounce beard balm is $20 USD as well. And then the beard oil samples are $4.50 per bottle, and they're 0.5 ounces. A really cool option if you want to just like try like a little bit of a scent without buying a full bottle. Yeah, and then they have beard and body soap as well. Those are bar soaps for $6.50. And then there's sandalwood comb in different styles. They're $15 each. And then there's swag and merch. So there's hats in different styles that range from $23 to $30. And then there's a mini bug out bag for carrying gear, which I did buy, so we'll be checking that out for sure. And then next, let's talk about the ingredients in EDC Beard Co's beard oil next. Alrighty, yeah, so the beard oil ingredients are organic apricot kernel oil, borage oil, rosehip oil, meadow foam seed oil, fractionated coconut oil, and then essential and fragrance oils for scent. Really good ingredients. I really enjoy the feel and beard of these products. I've been using EDC Beard Co for a little bit now. I definitely have continued to use them and will definitely continue to use them as well. Next, let's talk about the scent profiles that I got already. Yeah, so Valor which is one that I bought, and then it's citron zest, black pepper, patchouli, gunpowder, black musk, and oak moss. And then Lee also sent me his like main Christmas scents that just launched recently, and they're available from November 19th until January 31st, so available for a long time, so definitely get these while you can. Excited to check these out. And then Humbeard is crotchety spearmint, broken candy canes, grumpy vanilla bean, and then miser confection sugar. And then the ginger beard man is oven fresh gingerbread, cinnamon sticks, brown sugar, melted butter, vanilla icing. And then North Pole is sugar plums, Christmas tree pine, elfish vanilla, frosty mint, and eucalyptus. And then peppermint bark is crushed candy canes, white chocolate, milk chocolate, chocolate ganache, Tahitian vanilla. And then the nutcracker, which I'm predicting this one's going to be my favorite based on the profile. So it's balsam fir, cinnamon sticks, clove bud, sandalwood, and then Virginia cedarwood. So definitely sounds like a nice woodsy kind of scent, which is right up my alley. And then next, let's unbox this stuff. Alrighty, yeah, so we got a big old box here. Alright, cool. Lots of stuff in here. Very exciting. So starting off, we've got a little note, +5 seasonal scents. Jay, here you go. Thank you, bro. I do appreciate the support. Yeah, so nice little note, pretty cool. And we got a lot of stuff here. A bunch of oils, which we'll get into. Pop these of the plastic. My USA knife. That's Valor. Really cool label. The Nutcracker. I'm pretty confident this one's gonna be my favorite based on the scent profile. We got peppermint bark. We got North Pole, Humbeard, and the ginger beard man. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oils, plus the restrictor tops. And then we've got the wooden comb. This really nice leather case. Yeah, that's what that looks like. Oh yeah, it smells nice. Nice genuine wood. Yeah, I think that's actual leather. It smells like it, that's for sure. That's nice. And then we've got the mini bug out bag. It's pretty cool. It goes with the whole EDC theme. Yeah, it's like literally just a mini backpack. That's awesome. It's got a carabiner, so you can attach it to your bag. Pretty cool. Or you can just put it inside. You got this outer pocket as well as a little top pocket, and then some pockets inside. It's funny. This kind of looks like the a miniature version of the bag that I use for work, and like that I featured in my heavy duty tactical EDC video, which if you haven't seen that, definitely go check that out. We got everything out of there. All right, let's get into these scents. So I think we'll start off with Valor, because this one I ordered, and then Lee included the Christmas lineup with the order of my this oil, as well as the mini bug out bag, and then the comb. So those I paid for, and then he sent the Christmas scents as well, because we talked about how much I love Christmas scents and wanting to check these out. So shout out to Lee for that. Really excited to give these a smell. All right, so Valor is, one more time, citron zest, black pepper, patchouli, gunpowder, black musk, and oak moss. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's like not quite dark, but sort of on the darker side, but like very exotic. I definitely smell the patchouli a little bit there with the Let's see with the gunpowder. Oh yeah, I'm gonna enjoy that one for sure. And so these are the restrictor tops that they come with. Pop them in just like that. So the cap on top. All right, and then let's get into the Christmas scents next. So we got North Pole, which one more time is sugar plum, Christmas tree pine, elfish vanilla, frosty mint, and then eucalyptus. This is definitely gonna be very much a like kind of punch you in the face, minty sort of scent, I would expect based on the profile. Ooh, oh yeah, that's nice. Very fresh, very cool. Yeah, I get the pine, definitely, and the sugar plums, I would say, right up front. Oh yeah, I like that. Cool. So yeah, I like that. That's very, very, very nice. I like that the eucalyptus is a bit more subtle, so it's not quite as like in your face like eucalyptus sometimes can be. Next we have the nutcracker, which is balsam fir, cinnamon sticks, clove bud, sandalwood, and Virginia cedarwood. I expect this is gonna be my favorite, like I said. We'll see. I'll do a ranking. Maybe at the end of this video, after I've smelled them all. This will be a favorite for sure. I can guarantee that. Oh yeah. Yeah, I get the woodsy up front for sure. Like the balsam fir and then the cedarwood, I would say. And then, yep, that is a banger. And then we've got peppermint bark, which is crushed candy canes, white chocolate, milk chocolate, chocolate ganache, and then Tahitian vanilla. So with chocolate scents, I've tried a couple that I like, but then some that I haven't. So I'm interested to see how this one smells. Yeah, that's definitely chocolate heavy. Yeah, it's like clean and like not quite bright, but like, yeah, I definitely get the white chocolate for sure. And then the milk chocolate kind of falls in behind it. Very interesting, very unique scent. I'm excited to try that in beard and then see how that like kind of develops. All right, and then we've got Humbeard, which is crotchety spearmint, broken candy canes, grumpy vanilla bean, and then miser confection sugar. Oh yeah, definitely get the candy canes right up front. That spearmint too is right up in there as well. They're very sweet, very bright, very fresh kind of scent. Yeah, it's nice. But yeah, when Lee told me about these scent profiles a little while ago, the biggest thing I was impressed by how unique they were. They weren't just like sort of the normal Christmas scents that some companies do every year. Yeah, very unique on all of these. So definitely something for everybody. And last but not least, we have the Ginger Beard Man, which is oven fresh gingerbread, cinnamon sticks, brown sugar, melted butter, and then vanilla icing. Ooh. Yeah, definitely gingerbread right up front. And I'd say the brown sugar, I get that. Yeah, cinnamon sticks are in there, sort of like in the background, for sure. Alrighty, let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, yeah, so that was another unboxing of some stuff from EDC Beard Co, Valor, as well as the main line of Christmas scents, which are available from November 19th until January 31st. Definitely check those out if you haven't already. Check out the bug out bag, check out the combs, all really good stuff. Use code Jordan15 if you want to check out EDC Beard Co, save some money. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. How to get to 600 subscribers on the way there. Thanks again for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Merry Christmas.